Elephants have an amazing arsenal of face, ear and trunk movements. The trunk consists of far more muscles than the entire human body and can perform both powerful and very delicate movements. A team of scientists from the Humboldt University of Berlin and the Leibniz Institute for Zoo and Wildlife Research, Leibniz-IZW, now examined the facial motor nucleus of African and Asian elephants, the brain structure that controls the facial muscles of these animals. This nucleus contains more facial motor neurons than in any other terrestrial mammal, the scientists show in a paper published in the journal Science Advances. African elephants in particular have particularly prominent neuron clusters for the control of the trunk, fingers. One of the most remarkable body parts in the animal kingdom is the elephant trunk. It is extremely muscular and strong, containing far more muscles than the entire human body, and yet it is very sensitive and capable of carefully performed, finely tuned motor actions. The way elephants use the tip of their trunk strongly resembles a human hand, and they actually have so-called fingers at the tip. The elephant's facial motor nucleus is unique in several ways. For example, it contains more facial motor neurons than all other terrestrial mammals, says first author Lena Kaufmann, HU Berlin. The scientists counted about 54,000 neurons in the facial nucleus of Asian elephants, Elephas maximus, whereas the African savanna elephant, Loxodonta africana, even has about 63,000. The team attributed the higher number of facial nucleus neurons in African savanna elephants to their larger ears and more elaborate trunk tip. African savanna elephants have two so-called fingers at the trunk tip with which they grip objects, says Thomas Hildebrandt, Leibniz-IZW. This kind of pincer grip requires much dexterity with the trunk tip. Not surprisingly, we see in the brains of African elephants prominent neuron clusters for the control of the fingertips. Asian elephants have only one finger and tend to wrap their trunk around objects. Hence their fingertip is less prominently represented in their brain. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Journal reference: Lena V. Kaufmann, Undine Schneeweiss, Eduard Mayer, Thomas Hildebrandt, Michael Brecht. https://ift. tt. msxh3zk. Accessed October 27, 2022. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.